Alright, hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to use the Minenaira app on your phone instead of using the Google Chrome or Mozilla, because to me this is very let me say this is very easy to use. You go to, after downloading the app, you come to your home screen. You see it here, Minenaira. Click on it. Very nice. It opens. Yeah, I'm already logged in. So if you're not logged in, you see the home page, so you have to log in. And as you can see, I've already cashed out before, and I have 91 naira. That's really cool. I have to start from scratch, but it's really worth it. So if you want to withdraw your money, you come to withdraw and wait for it to load. Okay, you withdraw your money in this page. You can also do how do they call it? If this pops up, this notification stuff, please don't allow it. You can only allow this if you are using it on a PC or a phone, because it won't work here. It will just delay you. Okay, for instance, if you mistakenly press allow, it will just open this page and remain here forever, because this is not a PC or a laptop, or you're using your phone. If you're using Google Chrome, yeah, you can allow it, because it will be sending you notifications of news and stuff. But on the app, it's not gonna work, so it's just gonna hang in here. So you can go back here to this menu and click on home, and it takes you back. So just ignore that allow stuff. You come to about us. You see about Minenaira, you make over 50 to 500,000 monthly, and this is really true. If you have lots of referrals, invite people, and it's free to join, so it's very easy to invite someone. You start paid adverts on Facebook, Instagram, using your referral links. You understand? So when people click on the advertisements they see on Facebook and Instagram, they register under you. Now, if you have people who are mining, and at the end of the month they make up to 30, 50, 100k, you take 5% of that money. So you can actually do nothing, and people are mining for you, and you're collecting your money at the end of the month. So you just have to put in work, promote it. Facebook promotion is very cheap, and this has to do with money, so people will register. Understand? So someone like me, I spend 200 every day to advertise my referral links, and I have over 300 persons under me. I already cashed out, and I have 91 now. So let's see what happens at the end of the month. Now you go back to Minenaira here. You click on start mining. Click on the start mining button. It's taking a little bit of time. My network is bad. Let's go back to the home screen. Yeah, it has started. I've done a mistake. Okay, let's do it afresh. Click on start menu. Just wait for it to load. You see here, start mining. Okay, it's mining here for you. After 1 minute, you'll be credited 1 naira. So you keep doing this, and you make lots and lots of money. 1 naira, a whole day you make 1,440 naira if you're mining 247. Then in a month you make 43,200. Wow. So you can actually reach 30k in let me say 1 month and plus, if you don't have referrals, just want to mine alone. But why will you be stingy? Share the link and make more money. Yeah, it's free to join. So if you tell someone to register, no one is gonna ask you, am I paying and stuff. So everybody registers for free. So we're gonna wait for it to load. Alright, you have